Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a professional website for your hair salon business, then this is the best option for you. Here you can see this is a professional website that is built on WordPress platform with Astra theme. So just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are all services that you provide. After that, here you can see this is a header menu that has logo section, menu section, as well as font, text and images. Just you can add your own images, button, text. After that, here you can see this is a booking button that you can integrate with a Calendly and any type of other plugins. After that, here you can see you can add social media icons so that your customer can directly contact you, and after that they can book your services. So just scroll down. Here you can see just you can add images, as well as you don't need any type of programming or coding skills to build this type of website. And this is a professional footer section. So let's see how we can create this type of website. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name, and the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page, here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form, but before that you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some options that you can add, and after that just click here and make payment. After that you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that in dashboard, here you can see in hosting, so this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain, so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company, hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name, latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that scroll down. Here you can see these are the current name servers. Just you can replace with your own name servers, and after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here, the first one, WordPress. After that scroll here and click here on install now. After that here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that you can select WordPress variant, and after that if you get WP here, just you can remove this one. The next you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that, scroll down, here you can select one of theme. The next you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. At this step, WordPress is installed in our website. So now you can see how a fresh website looks on WordPress platform. In this website, just we need to log in. So how we can log in? Just add wp-admin after your domain name. After that, here we can add login details. So now just click here on login button. You can see we have logged in into our WordPress website. So this is a website dashboard, that how it looks. After that, just you can go here, appearance and themes. Now you can see by default this theme is active, and after that you can install new themes. And if you want to upload any premium theme file, just you can click here and upload your theme zip file. After that you can select any of these free themes. So this is a themes library that contains thousands of WordPress themes. Just install, and after that we can activate this theme. So here you can see it takes just few seconds. So just activate it, and after that we need to install and upload some plugins. So just click here on add new. After that, here you can see I want to install this plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and after that I want to install some more plugins. Really simple SSL. So this is a plugin that can install SSL in your website, and you can increase your website security. But I already have SSL. You can see this is a site lock, so that means my website is secure. After that you can add this one, and now I can add some plugins from my laptop. Here you can see I have, just I can select plugins from resources folder. Here you can see these are some plugins that I need to install. So if you just need any of these plugins, just you can type in the comment section, and I will send you link so that you can download these premium plugins and install in your website. So guys, you can see how easy to design a WordPress website and how is to install and plugins in WordPress website. So this is the easiest way. Just within few clicks you can install any of premium plugins as well as free plugins in your website. Alright, now you can check. I have installed Elementor Pro, but I got notification so that I need to install Elementor free version. And after that I can select inactive plugins. Just I can use bulk option. Select here, activate, click here, apply. So now you can see so it has activated all of plugins that are installed. As you can see, the website has clean and simple interface, but we want to add this professional design and functionality in our website. So let's see how we can get this. Just go to dashboard. In the dashboard, here you can find out the appearance option. Here you can see. After that, go to starter templates. Scroll down. Here you can find out a button, build your website now. So now we can select Elementor page builder. Here you can find out hundreds of pre-built WordPress themes that comes with Astra theme. So now you can see this is our business category hairstyle. So we can type a keyword related to our business. Here you can see we have found our required template. So just we can select one of these and add in our website. So let's see how it works. Just click here, and after that we can add our logo file. If you don't have any logo file, just you can skip, and after that you can select a color scheme and font family. Then click here, continue. After that you can fill out this form by adding some details about yourself. So now the final step is just click build and my website. After that, here you can see this is the final result. If you want to change this logo, just you can go to customizer option. Here you can see on the left side header builder. After that, go to site title and logo. So just you can upload your own logo file. After that, if you want to change this menu, just go to menu page. Here you can see this is the menu page. So now here you can see the menu page has multiple menus. So just you can select any of menu. After that, we can edit this. If you want to add anything, just you can click here and click add to menu. After that, you can sort out anywhere. Here you can see just you can use drag and drop functionality. After that, if you want to remove, just click here and save menu. The next step is if you want to change this content as well as background images, how you can do that. Just click edit with Elementor. After that, here you can see now you can add your own text. For example, so in this way you can change this. After that, if you want to change this image, just click here on the image. Here you can see on the left side it has image. Just you can upload your own images. Scroll down, here you can see some other sections. Just you can click on anything and add your own images and text. So in this way you can create a WordPress website for your business within a couple of clicks.